Subscribe and press bell icon to never miss a video from Shweta's Art Gallery. In today's video, you will see how to do Quilled Diya for the upcoming Diwali festival. Also, please do follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page. Quilling strips of 3 mm, glue, ice cream sticks, quilling mold and its tool, pencil, paintbrush, scissor, acrylic 3D cone, acrylic colors. Take 4 ice cream sticks and glue all 4 together. Take acrylic color of your choice and apply it on the correct side of the ice cream sticks as shown and let it dry. Take 8 strips of 3 mm width. Roll these strips to form a tight coil. Use quilling mold to give a shape of a dome. Do this very gently. Once the mold is formed, apply a glue and spread it across the dome and let it dry. Take half strip of 3 mm of orange and yellow color. Join them together and form a loose coil. Shape them as shown. And glue this to the dome shape that we created earlier. And here it is, our Quilled Diya is ready. Make 2 such Quilled Diyas and glue these to the ice cream sticks. Use pencil and make a design of your choice onto ice cream stick. Use acrylic cone, color of your choice to design and color on the ice cream stick. Isn't this very simple and easy to do? Do give this a try. I hope you enjoy doing this as much as I do. If you like this video, then please do give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Say no to crackers this Diwali.